Hi everyone, welcome to another video about poultry farming. In this video we are going to talk about the equipments needed to start a poultry farming, the things used in poultry farming as a beginner. That's what we are going to look at in today's video.
Alright, let us try to break down
Welcome to another video
a few things you need
about poultry farming.
as a beginner
In this
to start
video
this
we are going to talk
poultry
about
farming.
the equipments
The first thing you need
needed to
is
start
passion.
poultry farming,
You need to have passion. You need to have
things
love for
used
what you're going to do, because
in
poultry
poultry farming
is also like these other
as a beginner.
businesses. It has its challenges.
That's what we
So
are
if you
going to
don't
look
have
at
passion,
in today's
you'll
video.
end up giving up. So first have passion for what you want to do. Then the next thing you need is where to put those birds. It might be your backyard, you may be having land, or anywhere. Start from anywhere. You don't need to own a very big land before you start it. Even at the backyard, you can do it from there. If you have a big plot, it is okay. You can do it from there. But if you don't have, still you can do it. The next thing is you need to acquire knowledge. Find out from people who are already in the business. Get some knowledge before you start. Know how you can feed those birds, how you can take care of them, how you can vaccinate them. Without knowledge, things will not go on well. Another thing you need is a chicken coop or a chicken house. You need to make a house with good aeration such that those birds cannot suffocate from inside. Then after getting a chicken coop, the next thing you need is a book for recordings. You need to record each and everything. Any business without recordings is not business. You need to know what you are putting in and what you're getting out of it. When maybe you're going to vaccinate your birds like that, you have to record each and everything. Another thing you need is a weighing scale. A weighing scale will help us to weigh these birds to see if they are gaining weight or they are reducing. It is also used to measure the feeds. It helps us not to waste the feeds or not to give our birds little feeds. So by using that weighing scale, it will help to measure. You'll know how many kilograms you're supposed to feed those birds a day. Another thing is you'll need charcoal. Since you're going to bring them when they're still small, you'll have to put them in brooding. They have to be brooded. Of course, that's the process. You start from brooding, then they keep on growing. We shall make another video talking about brooding. You'll need charcoal, you need pots. Another thing you'll need is coffee hussks to make beddings for these birds. Another thing you need is maybe disinfectant. Before you put those birds in that house, you need to spray it first. After 3 days is when you can put in the birds. So those are the few things we need. Yes, don't fear to start. Start from where you are. Totya kutandika, tandikirawo wennyini w'oli. Ojja kumalako. Ekintu kasita obeera n'okwagala kikusikiriza kwegamba n'ogamba kankikole paka nfune kye njagala. Naye oba tolina passion, tolina kwagala, oba togenda kumalako. So bw'obeera ne passion n'obeera n'ebintu bino ebisookerwako, kijja kukuyamba nnyo okulaba nga okola ki? Okola ky'oyagala. So that's what I had for you today. Please consider subscribing and we learn together. Hit on the notification bell so that whenever I put a video, you can get it.